What is good, ladies and gentlemen? It is your favorite guy, Mr. Brown Guy, and we are back with just another exercise that I need to show you. Something you need to be doing at home, at your gym, at your hotel, where the fuck you are. I don't give a shit. Even if you're in space, you need to do this, all right? So when we are on our journey after the full body workout, this right here is a lying bench press. Now it is set so it feels like you're doing it with dumbbells. Now if you don't have this, I'll recommend doing some dumbbells rather than doing a fixed barbell for your bench press. The barbell is more for strength, but we want to get that full stretch, full fucking stretch, so you can feel it all over your fucking pecs, because I know you have big fucking pecs, and if you want to build bigger pecs, well, you need a bigger stretch. So we need to focus on getting that full stretch. And something that I like to do is doing a pulse rep. So get all the way down, stretch it for 1 to 2 seconds. Let's do 2 seconds, all right? And then we go all the way up, slowly up, hold it, maybe for half a second, maybe not even a second. Then we go slowly down, get that full fucking stretch, feel it. Make it feel like you're tearing your muscle, but you're not, all right? It's too light to tear a fucking muscle. So set it up like this, get all the way down. Now you can see I'm laying comfortably. I'm stretching my pecs, getting that wide grip over here. We'll push up, slowly down. Full stretch, 1 to 2 seconds, up. Don't hold it at the top part, hold it at the bottom part. All the way up, all the way down, slowly down. We want to slow down the pain. I know in the old days they used to say no pain, no gain, and that is not right. But in this occasion right here, it feels like you're stretching and hurting my pecs. But by doing this, you'll get that full development. And that is what we need. We need to take advantage of our exercises that we're doing. If you don't do your exercises right, don't focus on the repetition, the stretch, the pulse rep, the time under tension, you might as well just stay at home. All right? So take advantage. Of course, once you reach a certain level, you need to do it the right way, because we're not enhanced, we're natural. By doing it natural, it'll be 10 times harder. So you need to be focused on your goals and mean it. So let's do one more. Get all the way down and pause it. Oh. Whew. Spoken truthfully from my heart, I feel like an old fucking man when I do this, because it is just so damn hard. But my chest is just screaming because it hurts so fucking bad. So take advantage of your exercises. Otherwise, we'll stay home. Let us have the gym, because we mean it. And I know you mean it as well. So that's why you need to do better, all right? I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll be moving on to the next exercise after this. But this, 2 sets, 10 reps, 8 to 12. Rest for 60 to 90 seconds, do it over again. All right, I'll see you soon. Like, subscribe, and comments. I'll see you. Hey.